going on YouTube? Welcome to my channel. I'm Ivan. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to show you how I got this look using a Aveda product. This is the after. Let me show you the before. I feel like I'm exposing myself, but I want to hook you guys up. No gatekeeping here with beauty secrets. Alright guys, so here is my hair. This is what my hair looks like with just shampoo and conditioner. So as you can see, it is on the finer side. Now I use the Aveda Invati Rich Shampoo and Thickening Conditioner. So the Aveda Invati Men Scalp Revitalizer is what I use every day to help with strengthening of my hair follicles and preventing any kind of further thinning or fallout or breakage from the root. It's 98% naturally derived. This also thickens your hair from the root. It also is a scalp stimulator. So what I like to do is I do about like 3 to 4 rows. Sometimes I keep this in the shower so that I can just do it as soon as I get out of the shower. I'm gonna do 3 rows. Just gonna do one in the middle. I'm gonna do another one on the side. And I'm gonna massage that in my scalp. Use your fingertips, massage that in really quickly. Aveda's paddle brush. I love this paddle brush. This is the mini. There's a full-size version, but this is the mini. This is also really nice for stimulating of the scalp and detangling. And I'm just gonna comb that through really quickly. This is the men's version, but there is also a different version. It's called the Invati Advanced Scalp Revitalizer. It does have a different aroma. I actually do use both and I just go back and forth. So next I'm going to use a little bit of the Invati Thickening Foam. This is going to plump it, give it a little bit of that fluffiness that we're looking for, that I'm looking for. This also helps with fighting frizz and it adds a flexible hold. Just a little bit of hold. You'll still be able to run your fingers through your hair. This also does protect from blow drying. Comb that through really quickly. I'm going to use a little bit of the men's thickening paste. This is going to give you a pliable hold. It's not going to move in the wind, but if I touch it, it's going to still be soft, which I love. Just going to get a little bit of that. Not going to use too much. I'm going to work that through. I'm going to add a little bit of heat, not a fancy blow dryer. My portable one, small and cute, it's compact. This is what our hair looks like after applying heat. What do you guys think so far? Look how much fuller. It definitely looks a lot fuller, guys. I mean, come on. Listen, that is a miracle magic worker for me. But look at that. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get a little bit of my Nutriplenish oil, multi-use oil. Does not have any silicone, which I love because it does not attract dirt. I just did 1 pump. Just to add a little bit of shine to my hair. Then I'm just gonna comb this where I like it. This is the way that I usually wear my hair every day. A little bit of air control hairspray. It's lightweight, light to medium hold. You can actually build on it. If there's certain areas where you want more hold, for example, I like more hold over here on the side than I do over here. So I'll just coat it, just do layers. And that's it! I was very insecure for a very long time. Not only about my acne scarring, which is why I'm making skincare videos for you guys, but I was also very insecure about my hair because it's always been on the finer, thinner side. I learned how to make it look thicker and fuller, and now... So if you're someone who's ever experienced that, always remember that we are more than our vessel. You are more than your vessel. You are more than your hair and your skin. It's just always nice to find product that works for you. I just wanted to make this video because I'm really passionate about hair care. I'm really passionate about Aveda products, and I'm passionate about making people feel good. When your hair looks good, when your skin looks good, you feel good. Sometimes it's hard to achieve certain looks when you only have so much to work with. My shampoos, my conditioners, my treatments, all of my styling products are all Aveda. This is how I get the look. Doesn't matter if you're male or female or anything in between. If you have fine, thin hair, Aveda has plenty of thickening products, styling products, hair care products. Aveda has it. You guys can find these products all at Aveda.com or at your local Aveda Experience Center. Aveda is vegan and cruelty-free, and I will link everything down below so you guys can get your Aveda products. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. All of my links are listed down below. This video is not sponsored, but I do work for Aveda. I do have Estee Lauder and Estee Lauder Company's affiliates. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Plenty of Aveda content coming soon. Plenty of hair care and styling content coming soon. I had so much fun making this video. No gatekeeping over here. I'm gonna put you guys on to my favorite skincare products, makeup products, hair care products, because I love hair care. I love talking about hair. Alright guys, until the next scene, until the next vlog, until the next commentary and review, I'm gonna talk to you guys later.